In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Stripe. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a new price in a different currency and make sure your checkout experiences use it correctly. First, open your Stripe dashboard and sign in. Once you're in, we'll work from the left-hand navigation. Head to the products section. This is where all of your items, plans, and their prices live. Find the product you want to update and open it. If you have a lot of products, use the search bar to locate it quickly. Inside the product, look for the prices area. Instead of trying to edit an existing price, you're going to create a new one. Stripe doesn't let you change the currency on a price that already exists, so the correct approach is to add a fresh price in the currency you need. Click Add Price. When the form opens, enter the amount and choose the currency from the dropdown. Take a moment to double check both fields. Some currencies don't use decimals, and others may require rounding to the smallest unit, so be precise here to avoid unexpected totals for customers. If your product is shown on multiple storefronts or audiences, consider how local pricing should look so the amount feels natural in that market. Once everything looks right, save the new price. You'll now see it listed alongside any existing prices for the product. It's normal for a product to have multiple prices. Stripe treats each currency as a separate price option. If you already have customers on an existing price, creating this new price won't change their current billing. It simply gives you a new option to present going forward. Next, put the new price to work. If you use a hosted checkout link, generate or update the link so it points to this new price. If you use payment links, create or edit your link to reference the new currency price. And if your website or app integrates with Stripe directly, replace the price identifier in your code so your checkout session or embedded payment component pulls the new price. After updating, test the flow. Use Stripe's test mode first to confirm the right currency and amount appear, then switch to live mode when you're confident it's correct. That's it. Log in, open your product, add a new price with the currency you want, save and update your links or integration. Follow these steps and you'll present the right currency to your customers without disrupting existing prices. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your checkout experience.